Selecting the correct port for your HP printer helps when your computer cannot communicate with your printer or when you receive a printer offline error in Windows. Click the Windows button and type Devices and Printers. Select Devices and Printers from the results. Right-click your printer, then select Printer Properties. Click the Ports tab. Look at the list of ports and make sure the port type matches the connection you are using. If the printer is using a USB,
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
connection, the port has USB or .4 in the description. If the printer is using a network connection, the port type has WSD, network, or IP in the description. If there are multiple listings for the same port type, change the selection to a different port. Click OK to accept any changes.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.